Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your O2 SIM card in Germany. First, if you have a physical SIM card, start by inserting it into your phone's SIM tray. Use the SIM ejector tool to pop out the tray. Place your O2 SIM card inside and slide it back in. Once it's inserted, your O2 SIM activates automatically. No extra steps needed. You'll be able to make calls, send texts, and use mobile data right away. If you're using an eSIM, open your phone settings, go to mobile service or cellular, and tap Add eSIM. Then scan the QR code you received from O2 and follow the instructions on your screen. After a few seconds, your eSIM will be ready to go. And that's how you activate your O2 SIM card in Germany, whether it's a physical SIM or an eSIM. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.